Whether you're looking for a snazzy conversation starter or a time-saving tool that'll make cooking at home more enjoyable for you, we have a few must-have kitchen gadgets. Before we start, don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel, World Technology, for more videos. Number 10. OXO Potato Ricer. If you enjoy fluffy mashed potatoes, then the OXO Potato Ricer is the right tool for you. Why? Because it creates the most heavenly, fluffy, silky mashed potatoes without over-processing them. All you need to do is place a potato into the hopper and squeeze the handles for smooth mashed potatoes every time at just $25.99. It manages to break potatoes into the smallest pieces with the least amount of motion, resulting in that great texture. It's much less arm work than a regular masher, and the results are 1,000 times better. No lumps, no problems. Its non-stick knob will help you to hold this tool in place as you use it to mash, and the ergonomic handles are soft and comfortable in your hands. That'll give you a superior grip. If you're looking for more healthy options in the kitchen, it turns out that the potato ricer is incredibly handy in many other ways too. Want to press the excess water out of cooked spinach before you add it to a dish? Need to get chunky avocado bits out of your guacamole? It's also handy for making homemade baby food to make delicious and nutritious meals for babies. Number 9. Whisk Wiper. If you like to bake, this kitchen tool is a game changer. Isn't half of the fun of baking licking the utensils? But sometimes that additional batter is the difference between your last cupcake being lovely or a pitiful half version of the rest of your treats. Before you begin whisking, slide the whisk wiper over the whisk and use it as you normally would. Once you're done whisking, take the tool off and the batter will gather at the top. When mixing, the wiper helps prop the whisk off of the table to avoid messy surfaces and even catches drips. Why do you need to invest in one of these? Because it's a lot easier to lick frosting off this wiper than off the lines of your whisk, or you can even wipe the food back into the bowl. Just that easy. For only $17.95. You only gotta press it down to scrape it clean and you'll be left with a nearly clean whisk. And no when would this be clean headache. Bake more, clean less. Number 8. OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer. Avocados can be tricky to open, especially if you aren't confident with a knife. If you find yourself constantly reaching for this nutritious vegetable, you might want to invest in the OXO Good Grip 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer. This gadget will make the job safer and easier, as the cutting edge has a plastic blade that's just sharp enough to cut into the avocado skin, but not sharp enough to cut yours. Besides cutting into the avocado skin, you can use it to remove the pit and to evenly slice up the inside of the avocado. The tool also has a grippy rubber exterior that's easy to hold and does not slip out of your hands. OXO Slicer can take care of every step without putting your hands in harm's way. It only costs $9.99 and it's worth every penny. Number 7. Whiskware Pancake Batter Mixer. You can now make pancakes with less of a mess with the Whiskware Pancake Batter Mixer. It's one of the fastest and easiest ways to make smooth batters for pancakes, waffles, crepes, and more. You gotta simply add your ingredients into the bottle, toss in the blender balls, shake, and squeeze onto a hot griddle. Its wide opening makes it easy to add ingredients, and the base doubles as a stand to keep the mixer stable while cooking, and the heat-resistant silicone tips helps dispense the batter with perfect control. Cleaning up on this mixer is a breeze. Just a little soap, water, and a shake would do the trick. Its price is only $14.99. Number 6. OXO Salad Spinner. One of the problems folks face when trying to eat healthier is finding the time to wash, clean, and prep fresh produce. Getting moisture off of greens can be a difficult task. Blame it on curly nooks and delicate crannies. Not only is washing lettuce and greens time-consuming, but the entire process is also a bit inconvenient. This is where the OXO Good Grip Salad Spinner comes in handy. Once you press the push button on the top of the lid, the inner basket's spinning quickly and smoothly. It has one of the best brake mechanisms and also a clear bowl and basket that gives you an easy view to see whether the greens are truly clean. With its wide, bold, non-slip base, it has a unique look that makes it a pretty tabletop serving piece too at $29.99. Just press down and watch it spin. Number 5. Automatic Pan Stirrer. Wouldn't cooking be easier if we all had 3 arms? Are you spending all day babysitting a sauce in need of constant stirring? The uUtensil Stir Automatic Mixing Tool for just $29.30 will save you plenty of time and muscle power that you can plop right into your pot for instant stirring. Now you can step away from the stove and start doing all the other things you've been procrastinating on. This device rotates automatically at the push of a button to stir sauces, soups, and other mixtures, which in turn allows you to work on preparing other things for your meal instead of sitting in front of the stove stirring the contents of your pot or pan. Its legs are made from plastic, hence the product is more lightweight and it's easier for the motor to power around the liquid. You can also set it between 3 different speed levels, depending on how fast you need to stir your foods. This aesthetically pleasing gadget, with its dark gray legs, gives it a futuristic look that works really well with the modern kitchen interior. Number 4. Kitchi Pizza Cutter. Pizza night at home with the family just got a whole lot better. Wondering how to divide the pizza up without turning your perfect creation into a slaughtered mess of sauce and cheese? The Kitchi Pizza Cutter is your best choice, and it's at $14.95. You gotta press down against the blade and it will slice through any type of crust, no matter how thick. The upper portion of the handle is plastic, so it does not slip off your fingers when in use, and also makes sure you can hang on, even if your hands are a little wet or greasy. Along with the soft non-slip grip, Kitchi also provides you a plastic guard for safe storage of the device, so you can toss it in a drawer and not worry about accidental cuts when you're rummaging in the gadget drawer. By slicing through your pizza's delicious contours, it enhances the art of perfectly slicing a pizza. The Kitchi Pizza Cutter can also cut through other eats like quesadillas and frittatas, and even blocks of fudge. Let the new tour of pizza cutting start soon. Number 3. Ninja Air Fryer. Crispy fried foods are delicious, but cooking them usually involves copious amounts of oil, which isn't exactly great for your health. Indulge in delicious fried foods without feeling guilty with the Ninja Air Fryer for $199.99. It will give your food a crispy, fried texture without the added fat and also provides the same great taste. You can use it to fry up delicious crispy chicken wings, golden fries, and even crunchy veggies. It comes with a ceramic-coated non-stick basket and crisper plate. Its tray also fits snugly and securely on the bottom of the basket, so you don't have to worry about it falling out when you turn the food out onto a plate. It comes with 4 programmable cooking functions, so now you can air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate with the Ninja Air Fryer. Another unique feature is the timer, which counts down to the second. Apart from its healthy way of cooking, it also comes with dishwasher-safe components. No more stirring the french fries in the pan, ensuring they don't burn. Number 2. Bin 8 Multi-Kitchen Tool. Let's face it, kitchen equipments can often be real space hoggers. They eat up prime real estate in cupboards and on countertops and can make your cooking area feel cluttered and disorganized. The Bin 8 Bottle Kitchen Tool combines a metric measuring cup along with tools to your culinary's heart's content, and comes with 8 kitchen essentials that stack to resemble a wine bottle. The Bin 8 comes with a funnel that can help you pour sauces or liquids without spilling, a citrus juicer, a spice grater, an egg masher, cheese grater, cap opener, egg separator, and a measuring cup. Its tool comes in different colors for easy recognition. For those with small spaces, this item might be a miracle worker, and it's for $30.20. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Double Breakfast Sandwich Maker. Making a sandwich is hella time consuming. Doesn't it require more than one pan and a toaster for the bread? A quick snack or a morning breakfast for 2 is no longer a matter of hard work or time consumption. The Hamilton Beach Double Breakfast Sandwich Maker can make and serve 2 hot and toasty sandwiches at the same time. And since you can make 2 at once, each can be customized to your liking. In 4 steps, you'll be able to enjoy bacon, egg, and cheese sandwiches or Englishman muffins or bagels. You can mix and match and make some of the most delicious alternatives than spending your money on fast food breakfasts. It heats up quickly that it's ready in 5 minutes and also has an audible timer to let you know when the sandwiches are done cooking. After all, making a sandwich is not going to be so hard with the Hamilton Beach Double Breakfast Sandwich Maker for $39.99. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, World Technology, for more videos and ring the notification bell for more techie content. Catch up with you guys later.